Welcome back to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Today we're diving into the world of free credit monitoring, specifically looking at MoneyLion's free credit monitoring service. MoneyLion offers a compelling platform with a suite of financial tools, and their complimentary credit monitoring is a standout feature. Maintaining a healthy credit score is crucial in today's financial landscape, impacting everything from loan approvals to interest rates and even rental applications. MoneyLion understands this importance and provides a convenient way to keep tabs on your credit. This service allows you to track your credit score and receive alerts about any significant changes. Early detection of potential issues, like fraudulent activity or errors on your credit report, can save you time, money, and unnecessary stress down the line. With MoneyLion's free credit monitoring, you gain access to key features such as regular credit score updates, monitoring for changes in your credit report, and alerts about potentially negative impacts on your credit health. They strive to empower users with the knowledge and resources they need to take control of their financial well-being. By offering this service for free, MoneyLion makes credit monitoring accessible to a wider audience, removing the financial barrier that often prevents individuals from proactively managing their credit. Understanding your credit score and the factors that influence it is essential for making informed financial decisions. MoneyLion's free credit monitoring can be a valuable tool in your financial arsenal, providing you with the insights you need to stay on top of your credit and work towards your financial goals. So, if you're looking for a free and convenient way to monitor your credit, definitely check out MoneyLion. The link is in the description below. We'll continue to explore various financial tools and resources here on Rome Tech, so stay tuned for more informative content. Thanks for watching.